Hi everyone, my name is Natalia Tereshchuk and I am Chief Marketing Officer at Park Audio. Today, all of you are watching the presentations from your own device, which are previously manufactured. For sure, any manufacturing of any type of product requires sustainable supply, especially energy supply. We have already experimented with solar panels and even managed to install some of them to our manufacturing facilities on the previous year. But to provide sustainable energy, we require considerable more amount of solar panels and battery storages. We are searching for the suppliers from the European Union because our local suppliers are facing the same problems and challenges that we do. So, if you are the supplier of solar panels, please contact us. The sustainable solar energy will help us to develop our business and grow Ukrainian economy. Now, I will tell you who are Park Audio.